everyone, it's Tiffany. I am here with the new Celestial Buddies. I want to thank the company for sending these to me for free to check out with you guys. Now, we only have 3 of them here. We have the sun, the moon, and the earth. And I'll show them to you, obviously, after we get them out of the package. There's obviously a lot of other ones there are to collect, and they're all planets. So there's Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. There's a lot of different ones, and it's so exciting. Now, this is the one we're going to start with, and this is our best friend, the Earth. So they are just around plush. They feel so soft and fun. They do have like shorter fabric fur, and all of these details are printed onto the fur, so it's not like a cheap sticker or anything. They do have these big button eyes and a button nose, but an embroidered mouth. This one does anyway. And then we have floppy feet and floppy ears. So Celestial Buddies. Let's open up this tag. So we have facts. This is the moon. His age is about 4.53 billion years. Weight, 1.623 by 10, oh gosh, that's a lot of pounds. Diameter, 2,160 miles. Average surface temperature is negative 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Distance from the Earth is 238,900 miles. Rotational period is 27.3 days. Orbital period is 27.3 days. And it says, I am the Earth's only natural satellite. I am held in orbit by a mutual attraction to Earth's gravity. The ocean's tides are a direct result of my gravitational force pulling on Earth. I was created when Earth was impacted by a massive object at the beginning of the solar system. The expelled material formed me. The 500,000 craters on my surface were created by impacting meteors and asteroids. I don't emit my own light. It is the sun's rays reflecting off my face that cause my brightness. This is so cool. And then there's a picture of the moon. This is amazing. I love these little guys, and it's so cool that you can learn this way as well. So next we have Earth. I'm pretty excited to check out Earth because there's, like you can see the different continents on this one. And the blue on him is really pretty because it's kind of like dark blues and light blues all faded and mixed together. And this one has button eyes, no nose, but has an embroidered mouth, has the same kind of layout here. One thing I just noticed is on their feet, they have what planet they are. That's so, so cool. This one is Earth, obviously. And this is embroidered. That's so cool. So here we have the different I almost said planets, goodness gracious. There's Australia there, you know, we have all these different locations on our Earth here. This is so cute. I like how it's accurate, well, kind of accurate. I mean, like really, really accurate, I don't know, but it's pretty accurate. And let's look at the tag. Facts. Earth. Age, about 4.53 billion years. Weight, that much. Diameter, 7,900 miles. Average surface temperature is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Average distance from the sun is 93.2 million miles. Rotational period is 24 hours. Orbital period is 365 days. I am the 3rd planet from the sun and reside in the Goldilocks zone, meaning I'm not too close or too far from the sun for life to exist. I'm home to millions of different forms of life, including bacteria, animals, plants, and you humans. At present, I am the only place in the universe where any kind of life, simple or complex, is known to exist. About 71% of my surface is covered with water, giving me my characteristic blue appearance from space. This presence and abundance of liquid water makes me unique compared to my planetary neighbors. Liquid water is a fundamental necessity for life to exist. And there's Earth. This is so cool. I want to get them all now. And then last but not least, we're going to take a look at the sun. The sun is super fuzzy and fun looking, so obviously I'm super excited. So here is our sun. The face fur is a little shorter, but he has that fur all the way around, but you also have like these really spiky pieces of fur too. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, you can get like a hairbrush and brush the sun. So he has the button eyes, and then I think he has like a a button mouth, or if that's a nose. I think he has a button mouth, just so it'll actually probably show up after outside of the fur. But it does say sun here. And he's just like this all the way around, and he does have the shorter fabric on his feet and his arms. Now let's go ahead and read a little bit about this guy. Facts. Name: Sun. Age over 4.6 billion years. Weight 333,000 Earths. Diameter is 864,000 miles. Average surface temperature is 6,000 Kelvin, 32 degrees Fahrenheit equals 273.15 degrees Kelvin. So basically, it's hot. And rotational period is 25.4 days. I'm a real hottie. The temperature at my center is a sizzling 15 million Kelvin, and on my surface 6,000 Kelvin. I am the star located at the center of your solar system, and I am one among an estimated 200 to 400 billion stars orbiting in the Milky Way galaxy. I am composed of mostly hydrogen and helium with trace amounts of other elements. All my energy is produced in my core by nuclear fission. This energy travels to the surface and is emitted as visible light, reaching the Earth in 8 minutes. That's crazy cool. And then there's the sun. Like, that sun is hot. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I really like this guy. I love all of these guys. Like I said, I really want to get all of them at this point. There's just so many to collect. But these guys are, I'm so happy to have these guys of them. My favorite though, I kind of want to say the sun. He's so fun. Like, he's just so fun with all his fur. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.